Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at GetCasey.com, the digital boutique for fun and stylish phone cases and tech accessories. Because clearly, your smartphone needs a more expensive outfit than you do. If you've ever wondered whether this site is a legitimate business or just a very colorful trap designed to swallow your paycheck, let's dig into the details together. Casey offers everything from MagSafe gear and chargers to laptop sleeves and tablet covers for just about every model from Apple, Samsung, and Google. They even have a subscription club where you can get new cases delivered regularly, just in case your personality changes every 30 days. While the reviews on their own website look suspiciously perfect, shocker, I know, we decided to look elsewhere for the actual tea. On Trustpilot, they maintain a 4.2-star rating, which is actually quite impressive for the internet. Customers frequently praise the durable designs and fast shipping, noting that their customer service is surprisingly helpful when things go wrong. It seems most people are genuinely happy with their purchases, rather than screaming into the void of a dead support email. Next, we checked their background and found that the domain was registered all the way back in 2016. In internet years, that makes this store a senior citizen, which is usually a great sign of stability and experience. They also have a massive social media presence with over 320,000 followers on Instagram. Unless they're running the world's most public long con, that level of engagement means they aren't hiding in the shadows. For the skeptics, they also run an official store on Amazon. Since selling there requires meeting actual standards, it adds a massive layer of credibility for those who prefer the safety of a giant corporate umbrella. Finally, the brand was started by a sibling duo, Mark and Emily. We even tracked down Mark's LinkedIn profile, proving there are real humans running the show instead of a room full of sentient algorithms. After weighing all the evidence, from the solid reviews and long history to the verified founders and massive following, it's clear that GetCasey.com is a legit and trustworthy operation. If you're looking to dress up your tech, this seems like a perfectly safe place to do it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, feel free to like and subscribe, or don't. I'm not your boss. See you in the next one.